Package delivery and online shopping are the big targets of late, but threats both old and new are everywhere these days. Watch out for these: mail fraud against veterans or the elderly, sweepstakes, lottery or winner scams, employment or unemployment fraud, land sale letter scams, home improvement or repair scam flyers, health insurance fraud, fake government mail schemes, shipping or package notice links, change of address scams, holiday charity fraud. Those are just a few of the many potential mail scams or schemes you could find in your mailbox during the holidays. Keep in mind that not everything is a scam, and there are dozens of real charity events, home improvement flyers, unemployment and IRS letters going out daily. Don't always assume the worst, but if something looks fishy, includes a link to follow, or wants you to enter personal information of any kind, take a second look before you get in trouble. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't seem right, it probably isn't. Take care.